This is Jeffrey. Today's masterclass discussion is that registering your domain name is not job one. This is an especially important message for people who are do-it-yourselfers. Registering a website name is what people looking to build their own website often hear is job one. If you are someone who wants to launch a web presence and do it yourself, here is an important update for you. Job number one is deciding why you want a website. It is not buying a domain name. It is not investing in hosting. It is not determining anything else other than your why. In other words, before even thinking about a website name, before even thinking about website hosting, before you spend a dime on creating your website or blog, job number one is to clearly and concisely map out what it is you want to achieve through your web presence. Like all things in life, the why is important. In fact, a good solid why is the secret ingredient of success in sport, work, and just about anything you undertake. This is also true of launching a website. Why do you want one? What do you expect or want to achieve? What will be the purpose of investing time and money in your website? When there is a solid why, you will then know your niche. Armed with that information, you can start to register a website name. Here is the golden nugget. Many do-it-yourselfers, DIYers, website creators make the mistake of grabbing a catchy name and then building their web presence around it. Yes, a catchy name attracts people, at least for a short time. But the name is not what keeps people on your website. A domain name is not what will sell your products, get you clicks, or build a strong audience of followers. What results in people taking action, clicking your affiliate links, buying your products, investing in your services, or just plain old coming back for more, is not the catchy website name. It is the content. Content is what you write about, what you share. In short, it is the value people receive when they land on your website. That's it. It is not register a website name that is catchy. It is create a website that gives your target audience, that is your niche, what they want. There is partial truth in build it and they will come. The rest of the reality is found in register a website name that reflects what people will find when they arrive, and those who you want to come will land on your doorstep. Annual cost to own a domain name should generally not be more than $15 per year. Caution, perhaps better stated as buyer beware. When you come across domain name providers offering website name registration far below the average price, check the fine print. Often, to get a seriously discounted rate, it is for a short term, sometimes a few months, sometimes a few weeks. When that term is up, the new rate far exceeds what the average is. Also, in the fine print, other times you will be required to lock into a multi-year term. Once again, After the initial introductory period, your cost jumps to way above average. One last tip before we look at how easy it is to register a website name. Register your domain name with a provider who also offers web hosting. Why is this important? Not doing this means you will have an account at one provider for the domain name and another for hosting. This adds in some complications that are unnecessary. Avoid doing this if possible. How easy is it to register a domain name and select a hosting package? When you find the right provider, the steps are generally the same for them all. 1. Decide on the domain name you want. 2. Check to ensure the name is available. 3. If the name is not available, find a suitable alternate. 4. Follow the prompts to sign up and pay for the domain name registration and hosting. That's it. Inside our exclusive member area, we'll break each of these steps out even further and review several key tips. If you are just joining in our masterclass discussions, here are the 2 domain registrars and hosting providers we recommend. The second one on the list, website webhostingservices.com, I have been personally using for more than a decade and totally recommend them. See you inside the masterclass.